If you work with dates in LibreOffice Calc, knowing how to change the date format can save you a lot of time and make your spreadsheets much easier to read. In this video, I'll show you how to quickly change the date format in LibreOffice Calc, step by step, so you can display your dates exactly the way you want. And if this tutorial helps you out, go ahead and hit that like button and subscribe for more simple software tutorials just like this. Let's jump in. First, open LibreOffice. Once it launches, on the left side under Create, click Calc Spreadsheet to open a new spreadsheet or your existing file. After that, find the cell or range of cells that contains the date you want to format. You can click one cell if you only want to change a single date, or you can drag across multiple cells if you want to update a whole range at once. Now, with the date cell selected, right-click anywhere in the highlighted area and choose Format Cells from the menu. This is where LibreOffice lets you control how your data appears, including numbers, currency, percentages, and of course, dates. Once the Format Cells window opens, go to the Numbers tab. This section is important because it controls the number format for the selected cells. Under Category, click Date. You'll now see a list of available date formats on the right side. These can include different styles depending on how you want the date to appear, such as month, day, year, day, month, year, or longer date displays. Take a moment to choose the date format that best fits your needs. If you're working on a report, you may want a clean and professional format. If you're organizing data for international use, you may want a format that clearly avoids confusion between day and month order. Simply click the format you want from the list. When you're happy with your selection, click OK to apply the changes. LibreOffice Calc will instantly update the selected cells to display the dates in the new format. The actual date value stays the same, but the way it is shown on the screen changes based on the format you chose. That's really all there is to it. In just a few clicks, you can change how dates appear in LibreOffice Calc and make your spreadsheet much more readable and professional. This is especially useful if you're sharing files with others, cleaning up reports, or making sure your data matches a specific format requirement. If you found this helpful, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more easy walkthroughs, productivity tips, and spreadsheet tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.